friends, and welcome back. I am so excited to see you back today. So today I was actually planning to paint 2 new artworks for my art store. So I thought why not take you along in the entire process and show you the final look first. So let's quickly get started. So इसको बनाने के लिए I took this canvas जिसको मैंने 2 parts में divide कर लिया because I'm going to be painting 2 today. So background बनाएंगे सबसे पहले. I'm just going to be glazing it very lightly by this burnt sienna and this is optional. So once I do that, आज ये भी मेरा plan है कि I'm going to be painting using water soluble oils, and that's absolutely optional. You can definitely go ahead and enjoy this by using acrylics. Basically, I like to experiment with different art mediums and different colors, so that's the only reason I did that. But to be really honest, it really dries a little slowly, but of course not like oils. They dry more quickly as compared to oil paints because it took a lot of time, and that's the reason this video got so delayed and I'm posting it today for you. But anyways, I'm super excited to share the entire process. The theme जो कि आपको पता है of the painting is going to be about joy. It's going to be festive. So we have some dancing ballerinas coming up next. Happened behind the scene that I wanted to add a lot of lights just to go with the festive scene, but then I realized that I overdid it and I thought that it looked too much and little immature also because this is a complete image that is in movement, so the image is also going to be a little blurred and is going to have some kind of movement. So I took this inspiration from my garden light, so this gave me an exact idea of how does the light look when it's in movement or when the image is blurred. Following the same theme, I painted the next painting as well, which is of course about dance and joy. So let's get this ready as well. Part of framing these two. So this was the final look of my painting. I loved how they turned out to be. Both these paintings are now available for sale on my art store, so you can always have a look at them. And I'll be seeing you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.